Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to make a solar-powered glam lantern using all Dollar Tree materials. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at creativity.com for all the details, including tips and tricks, as well as links to my Amazon store where you can purchase some of my favorite craft tools and materials if you are unable to find them at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. We will need a wired basket, the ones that typically get used to throw paper trash in. The one I'll be using today is black. We will also need the handle of a small wired basket, a solar garden stick, some silver plastic spoons, a string of silver beaded necklace, some gem stickers or jewel border stickers, and our handy dandy glue gun, which I purchased from Amazon. To begin, we will take the wired basket and gently push in the narrowest part of the basket until it forms somewhat of an hourglass shape. This step, however, is optional. Next, remove the round solar part of the solar garden stick from the see-through plastic part. Also, remove the stake from the rest of the solar garden stick and set aside for a future project. We will only be using the round solar part as well as the see-through plastic part for this project. If you prefer, you can also bling out the top part of the solar garden stick with some gem stickers like I did. Otherwise, take the round solar part of the solar stick and place it inside the basket in the center. We will then need to use a strong pair of scissors to cut a hole slightly smaller than the solar piece so that the plastic part can be inserted into the basket. Watch the next few minutes so you can see what I mean. Now we can start embellishing the basket. For this step, we will be breaking off the round part of 18 silver plastic spoons. We will set aside the round parts and only use the arm part of the spoon. Then we stick a row of gem stickers to the arm part of the spoon to glam it up. Once all the spoon arms are embellished, we are ready to glue the spoon's arms vertically onto the basket. We will use hot glue to adhere each spoon to the basket. Next, we use some hot glue to adhere a string of silver beaded necklace to the opening of the basket along the outer rim. The final step is to insert the basket handle so we can hold the lantern by the handle or hang it on a hook. And there you have it. Now we have a beautiful solar-powered lantern that we can use both indoors and outdoors. It is also portable and can be carried from room to room using the handle. If you enjoyed this DIY tutorial, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.